guys. Happy birthday. We love you and we are so proud of you. Cole, you have made amazing steps for faith, and Luke, you have also. And we are so, so proud of you. Y'all are becoming sweet young men now. And yes, you're 13, but we are so proud of you and we can't say that enough.
Hi, Cole and Young Hag. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being the best bonus boys in the whole wide world. I'm so proud of both of you so much. You are growing up to be such amazing, strong, and funny, and great young men. And we're so proud of you. Happy birthday!
Party ride, looking for your girl, she on my jock.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cole and Luke. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Cha cha cha.
Mimi and Papa, I miss you so much.
Pepe.
Oh, Pepe. Sorry. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Number 13. Y'all have to stop going so fast. I love you.
Luke and Cole, happy birthday. I hope you're having a great party. And I just wanted to tell you that I love you and I am so proud to be your grandma.
Guys, happy birthday. I hope you have fun. I hope I get to see you soon. Love you all. Bye.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get up, get down. Put your hands up.
Hi, Luke. Hi, Cole. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
We miss you. We love you. Raven says happy birthday, too. She wanted to make sure that she gave you a present. So, there you go. Happy birthday. We love you. Miss you. We'll see you soon.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Happy 13th birthday, boys. It's your sister. You're officially teenagers, but let me save you from the sequel to my dumb decisions. Don't be like Lindsay. Trust me, it's rough. I thought it was cool, but I was doing dumb stuff. Don't be like Lindsay. I made lots of mistakes. Sneaking out at midnight just to catch heartbreak. Got caught, got grounded every single June. And now I'm the reason there are extra rules. Don't be like Lindsay. Stay in your lane. Hung out with bad people and did bad things. Anything you do, Chrissy's radar will shout. You need to understand that parents will find out. My friend said, come on. I said, okay, fine. Next thing you know, I'm toe deep in crime. Worry too much about boys in time. Relationships short like my schoolwork deadlines. Wheels too fast, almost lost my ride. And dad almost aged 10 years inside. So be like Lindsay and save your cash. I blew my paycheck on V-Bucks fast. So be like Lindsay and think things through. Or you're food yourself will definitely roast you too. I liked like dad every single week. Thought it was slick, but oh my gosh, please. Next thing you know, he has my phone. But little did you know I had a bird phone. Don't be like Lindsay, your life will be hell. Cause I did some things that I still can't tell. Drama's sticky, karma's tricky. Stay away from girls cause they'll hold me hot quickly. Keep your heads up, don't do dumb stuff. You'll end up grounded like Lindsay does. Don't be like me and make me proud. Keep your heads high, don't follow the crowd. Stay true, stay kind, and guard your heart. Cause one bad choice can make our parents go bald. Don't be like Lindsay, but it's okay. Cause I'm still here and I turn out okay. Kinda.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy
birthday.
Gamer versus game. Gamer versus game.
Gamer versus gamer.